Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'll be showing you how to trade with the classical technical analysis, because this is the basis of every trade. So I'll be showing you how to analyze the internal levels, how to analyze the support level, the resistance level. I'll be showing you how to look at the price moving up and the price moving down. So I'm inviting you to my private chat in Telegram channel. I have a private chat there where I share my trading signals. So I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat, and you can be able to learn more about crypto trading, be able to ask questions that you have, and be able to interact with the members in the group. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to comment down below. So let's get started. So hello everyone. So today I said I'll be showing you how to trade with technical analysis. I'm going to start with $50 and I hope to make $8,000 by the end of this video. And also I would like to show you how to look at the resistance level, the support level, how to be able to enter situations using technical analysis, be able to interpret it and work it out and make some profit. So stay tuned until the end of this video and see the results of my trade. So let's get started. Well, analyzing this is the level of support and price maximum is getting lower, and this is a downward movement here. And after hitting this level, price pulled back up and stopped. So I'll enter the market here with a downward trade for 2 minutes only, with a margin of course, because there may be a flat or a small pullback up and then downward movement will go down because price has strength to go down. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, you can see that price trended down and I've got my profit. So this time was chosen really correctly, and right now you can see that price is breaking through this level with very good impulsive candlesticks which are red. And after the breakout, the price is slowing its pace. So I'll enter the market here with an up trade for 1 minute, because there will be a retracement which usually happens whenever there is breaking of the level. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. So the pull up really occurred here, as you can see, and I've got my profit. So let me go on. So here you can observe the level of resistance. Price has come to this level 3 times for quite a short period of time, and now price has already gone beyond the level. So I'll enter here the market with an up trade for 1 minute, because I think that there will be the breakout here soon, because price has all the strength to go up, and price minimum is also getting higher here. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing the situation, it has been the flat zone, but then movement up resumed, and then the breakout of the level occurred and it has brought me my profit. So let me go on. Well, this is the level of support, and after the pullback up, price has again come to this level and is squeezing this level, and the price maximum is getting lower. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this situation, the price trended down and then broke through this level, and it has brought me very good profit. So let me go on. So here I can observe the level of support. There has been a very good movement down, and the price hit this level and then pulled back up, and it's now trending down. So I entered the market with a down trade here for 2 minutes, because I suppose here that the price will be trending towards this level. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. So price trended down here and it has brought me my profits, and this time was really chosen correctly. So let me go on. So here I can observe the level of support, and this was a broken through level, and now price stopped and attenuation is occurring. Well, here I'll open a 1 minute up trade, because you can see that a green candlestick is showing up after a breakout, and there is always a pullback up whenever there is a breakout. So let me wait for the results and see. So discussing the situation, price really pulled back up and I've got my profit. But let me go on. So I scrolled the chart back to 2 hours ago, and I'm setting this level due to the upper candles. And going back to the current price movement, there has been a very good uptrend, and there was a false breakout, as you can see the wick candles that went beyond the level. And very impulsive pullback down occurred from the level, and right now the green candle is appearing and price minimum is getting higher. So here I'm thinking I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, the price trended up and it has broke me my profit. So 2 minutes was enough here, but this level isn't broken through yet. So I suppose I can enter the market here again, but I think I should wait a little bit and see. Now after the pull back up, the price moved up and right now it is breaking this level through. So I'll enter the market for 1 minute with an up trade and wait for the results. So analyzing the situation, price trended up and then broke through this level with very good green candlesticks. So this is very good profit. So let me go on. So here I can observe the level of support, and this is the movement down, and the price highs are becoming lower, and to the support level there is a distance. So I think that the price will be trending down here. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this, after the slight pullback up, price continued trending down and there was a breakout of the level, and now my balance, as you can see, is $5,700, and I'm thinking I'll find the last transaction for the day. I want to find something very good. So here I can observe a very confident downtrend. The price maximum is getting lower and there is a distance to support level. So I'll enter the market here with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, after a slight pullback up, the trending down resumed and I've got my profit, which is now $8,000. So I think I'll stop trading here for today. So as you saw, my strategy really worked out well for me and I was able to get my profits of $8,000, which I'm sure you can be able to do as well. You just need to find similar situations in the market and work them out well and be able to get the same profit or more. You just need to look at the resistance level, the support level, the price movement up and the price movement down. But if you have any questions concerning my strategy, if you want to learn more about technical analysis, I have a private chat in Telegram channel, so I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat, and you can be able to learn more about technical analysis, my strategies, be able to learn about any other trading using crypto as well, and I'll be able to answer your questions as well. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to hit the notification button so that you can be notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, bye bye.